January 27th, 2021, practice number 5. So we're going to identify that integer or the number for the given statements. Then we're going to plot that integer on the given number line. So just like what we did in the previous slide. So a gain of 10 yards. Remember, our gain means that we are going up. So it's going to be a positive. So if you gain 10 yards, it's going to be a positive 10. So we can plot that positive 10 on the number line where there is a 10 in the positive. All right, next one, when you withdrew $5 from the bank. So that means you're taking out $5 from the bank. So that means you're subtracting $5. So that's going to be a minus 5. All right, so we're going to plot that at minus 5 or negative 5. Ooh, lost 7 pounds. So loss of 7 pounds is going to be a negative, and you're going to have that 7. So loss of 7 pounds, negative 7, we'll plot that on our number line. Last but not least, a profit. Oh yes, that profit. Remember, profit is going to be a positive. So we are going to have a positive 8, and we will plot that 8 in the positive direction of our number line on our number line as so. And that's going to be it for our practice 5. Great job.